on the other side as well. Like this.
Nice.
Okay. We'll repeat it.
कोरल थोड़ा सा दूर करो, थोड़ा हेजी हो रहा है। हाँ बस बस बस। So yeah, we can go to the next step, Coral.
Okay. So again, we'll make the boundaries.
Nandini, clear now? अब ठीक से सुन रहा है?
Okay. So now we'll make triangles here. Like this.
Okay.
Then on the outer side, or we'll make another triangle. I'll just show it once. Like this.
Okay. Thicker lines.
Yeah.
You are making two triangles inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, Nandini. Very nice, Anna. Anna, show once more.
Yes.
Nice, Trisha. Shruti. Aditi, very nice. So now we can move next, Coral. सोनिका एकदम क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है, सोनिका दे. हाँ, nice.
We'll just make the borders.
Coral, a little louder, please.
We'll just make the borders first.
Okay.
So now I'll make thin lines over here.
After little gap.
Yeah, I'll make thin lines after some gap, and then again we have to like take an approximation and see that the gaps are equal.
Well, okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Now we will completely fill the gaps.
The thick ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we'll leave the thin lines and then fill the next gap.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Coral, when we fill in the boxes, then after that, should we wait for a minute or two to let it dry?
Yeah, it'll that will be good because just in case if they are a bit wet, then when you put your hand on it, it can smudge.
Yes. Let's wait for another minute or two.
Yeah.
क्या चीज? हाँ, अभी दिख नहीं रहा मुझे इसमें. ऐसे करूँगी तब दिख. So Coral, we move on.
Okay. So the next, I have a thin one here. So I'll just make a border.
Or can we leave it like that only?
Yeah, we'll just leave it like this.
Okay.
Then I'll make the border in the next one.
Yes, go on, Coral.
Okay. So now I'll make small triangles inside this. I'll just show you once.
This was there in the practice patterns, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should practice, no?
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
Thank you.
So this pattern was shared by Coral for practice. Most of you must have done it, those who are there in the group. So Coral, is this a nice pattern to fill when you have a thinner circle to fill?
Yeah, but then not like very thin because you need to even put space and like that. So you can make this pattern in medium thickness circles.
Okay. Is it called the giraffe pattern?
I'm not so sure. I just saw it somewhere.
Okay. It looks like giraffe skin pattern. Catchy. So you say this was the practice pattern which was given. That's right. So you just have to make small triangles and fill them up. The giraffe pattern. Pretty fast, Shruti. Wow, very nice, Krisha. You're making two together.
Her mom is also making along with her.
Okay. So Coral, we move on then next.
Okay. Then we'll again make the boundaries.
Hmm.
Now here we'll make, I'll just show you one small arcs like this. And then we'll fill the center one. We'll make 3 tiny arcs like this, and then we'll fill the center one. Like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Every pattern has its own beauty.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, Coral. It's nice, Shruti.
Should I continue?
Yes, yes, Coral.
Just a second. आवाज नहीं आती.
Nice, Suman. Very nice, Vanita.
No.
Yes, Coral, we go to the next step.
Okay. So again, we'll make the border. Purple flower.
So excuse me, Coral, if my border becomes a little, not as
If that happens, if it's very visible or something like that, you can make a tiny, like another arc, either after it or before it, and then color the whole thing black.
okay. Okay.
She can just thicken the entire line.
Yeah, like that. But then sometimes, like even while thickening, it's difficult. So
Yeah, go on, Coral.
okay. So now I'll make a diagonal line like this,
Okay.
and then a straight one.
Okay.
So we'll continue like this first. Like this.
Okay.
Now, we'll make, I'll just show once. We'll make lines like this inside one of the triangle.
Okay.
Then on the other half or the other triangle, we'll make lines like this.
Okay.
We'll join the these two lines like this.
Okay.
So it's like you are creating an L, but then there's a dissection in between.
So most of the patterns which we did here today, we did not do it in the circles. These are mostly.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this looks really nice. Very nice.
I'll just continue with the next one.
And that will be the last circle for.
Yeah.
Can you show the triangle one again? I didn't
This one?
understand how to do it properly.
This
Yeah.
one? Just 1 second. So I'll just make one straight line over here first. Then I'll make a diagonal line like this.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
I can't see your bookmark.
Yeah. I just one.
He's showing one pattern, Arna, now.
Excuse me.
Now you can see.
Yes.
Yeah. So then again I'll make the straight line.
It's like making N, ulta N.
Yeah, it's like a reverse N.
Yeah.
I can't
Uh,
hear you.
Yeah. Now we'll make other straight lines over here. Like this. And then lines like this on the other triangle. Is it clear?
Yeah, perfect, Coral. Perfect.
Okay.
So we move on to the last one now.
Yeah. First we'll make the boundary.
Yeah.
Now for the last one, we'll start over.
Slight connectivity issue.
So instead of making the ulta N, I think I made it.
Sida
I
N.
can, is it okay? So I can make the lines now.
It's looking fine only, Shruti.
But
It's
then,
not
oh, you are doing another pattern. Okay.
Please repeat this again. There is no connectivity.
Yeah.
So now we'll just make another arc around this U. Like this. Then I'll make small triangles on this boundary. And then cover this again. So we just color the space between the U's.
We can't see it.
Yeah, you will have to take those.
Just a second.
Okay, so one arc, again another arc,
Then we'll, sorry?
one arc, then another arc closer to it,
Yeah.
use, then a boundary, and then triangles.
Yeah, and then we'll make another arc again, the last arc.
Okay.
And then we'll fill this black.
Okay. So
Like this.
yeah, so you repeat the pattern so that it's
Yeah.
Coral.
We'll make the first arc, then another arc, leaving a bit gap, very little bit gap.
Okay.
Then the U's. Then an arc around the U's. And then we'll color the space between the U's.
Okay.
Then we'll make triangles. And another arc. And then another arc again. And then we'll color this whole thing black.
Okay.
Can you show it separately? Not following.
Sorry?
I could not follow you. Can you
Yeah, I'll
please,
just make one more.
this paper?
Yeah, I'll repeat it. So first we'll make an arc. Then we'll make another arc around the first arc.
Okay.
Like this. Then we'll make U's on the second arc.
Perfect.
Then we'll make an arc around the U's. We'll touch the top of the U's, like the arc will touch the U's.
Yes.
Then we'll fill in the small spaces which is made between the U's and the arc.
This pattern we had done in the Google also.
Yeah, we had done, but the pattern was a little bit different because that pattern,
Filling
yeah,
up the arc and the space between it.
yeah. Then we'll make the triangles. And then make an arc around the triangles. Then the last arc. And we'll fill this whole thing black.
Okay. Absolutely clear, Coral.
Yeah. Just a second.
1 second.
Others, please put yourself on mute.
1 second.
आमा की क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसको खबर नहीं दी
I think there's some connectivity issues.
Hello.
Yeah, Coral.
Yeah.
So, Coral, I was asking for the rest of the circle batches, can they replicate the design or they should do different designs in every circle?
They should do different designs because that will look
I
better.
can't hear you. Excuse me.
Just a second. Can you hear me now?
Yes, better.
Okay. About you can you should make other designs and not replicate it because other designs will even bring variations.
Okay. So, should we give them this as their work and they post it on the social
Yeah.
media? Nice, Suman.
Yeah.
So, everybody needs to finish. Just a second. Where are you? Yes. Yeah. So everyone will finish their bookmark. And Coral, can you now show us what are the other things which one can do with mandala art?
Yeah. So mandala art, like instead of paper, right?
No, even with paper, like yesterday you showed us the map.
Okay. So I'll just show those again.
Yeah.
So like we have to finish the bookmark. You mean like we have to do our own design or we have to do the same designs?
Your own designs, a few patterns were given by Coral for practice. So you can use those patterns and the patterns which we used in the circle designing in last 2 sessions. You can take patterns from there also and even refer internet.
Yeah.
Wow.
There are lots of design in Pinterest also.
Yeah. So you can refer designs from internet and finish your bookmark. Please post it on social media, tagging us. This is beautiful, Coral.
Thank you. So so
Coral,
like
can
in
you,
the sorry.
the last one, can you show us from another circle? We'll start from where? The last one, semicircle.
Yeah.
In the bookmark.
Like this. So
Now,
our the first semicircle ends over here. So we'll put the compass at this point itself.
no, the we have started from in, and now second one will be.
Sorry.
You're talking
You have
about
completed here now. Has another now
the third
another
one.
one. Where to start? Which end to
This one,
start? No, the last one which you have done.
the
Yeah,
design.
yeah.
So we'll just make a semicircle over here.
Okay, alternate ones, no? Alternate
Yeah,
ways.
alternate. It's alternate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So like for the map, like we can take one point on the side of the map.
Okay. And draw circles around it.
Yeah. So we'll make the circles, and then like we make one large circle or like with an approximate rate. I'll just
Covering the major part of the map, basically.
yeah,
The
like
center
about
part of the map.
again 4 to 5 centimeters of radius will do. And then once the circle is completed, we'll make lines in the rest of the part, and then make other designs over there.
Okay. And can you show us that the other thing, the bug was there, or one design, one pattern which your mom had sent me? That was also very nice. That was not the regular mandala design. If you have it ready, I have that picture. I'll share it in the group. Yeah, show this one also, the one which you had now. Yeah. Yes. This one only I was talking about. This is like planets.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. So these are actually very, very beautiful and very different from the regular mandala art which we see.
No, this is not mandala art. It's just like
But-
normal drawing, and then it's it's. I have done this using the black gel pen itself, so it's not mandala.
Okay.
So Coral, one thing for the last circle, actually I had made
Yeah.
the similar ends. So I've just finished it like this.
Yeah.
It's looking nice, Shruti.
Okay, thanks.
So the
So we'll
pattern,
try and complete it.
yeah, the pattern which Coral showed, you can use it in the end last.
In some other circle.
Yeah. So any more questions, anyone?
What else can we make apart from like bookmarks and like using it on the map, or how do we use it in everyday life?
Like if you want it like on a paper, it's not necessary that you need to put it on a paper. You can make it on canvas, or you can make prints of the mandala design, like for pillowcases or t-shirts, like that.
And when we use cartridge paper, what do we make?
Richa and Madhuri, Nandini. Very
When
nice.
we are using the cartridge paper,
Yeah.
we use the same gel pen.
Yeah, we use the same gel pen.
Okay, and that is to be laminated, like, or we can just leave it like that.
No, you can leave it like that, but then you can also laminate it, because like lamination will give it like a protection.
Okay. Thank you.
You can make posters.
Yes.
Any more questions, anyone?
And in coasters, in glass, which pen should we use? If we make
Like
it
if
on
you
glass, which pen should we use?
you can't use a pen, there are glass liners. You have to use glass liners for that.
Kavi, if Komal can share her few patterns, so we can follow the patterns because it doesn't come into our mind what to draw.
I'll send it in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be helpful. Yeah, thank you.
And
Thank
Shruti,
you so much, Coral.
can you show that bag which you were showing me yesterday? Shruti?
I don't have that bag, Kavi, that my friend has shared with me. She is an artist and she did it.
So she was showing me a bag which had a mandala art on it. It was looking very nice.
And she used paint on it.
Okay.
Because on the cloth she couldn't use the gel pen, so she was using paint on it. Yeah.
Different texture, different.
So we finished the course today. Thanking Coral. It was wonderful. 3 days. We actually learned a lot. And
Yes, yes.
everyone to
Auntie, thanks to you, I got this opportunity, or I would never do anything like this.
and please share your art on social media and tag Coral also. And Coral, please.
Sure. Kavi, share her ID because I tagged you yesterday, but I don't know her ID.
I think Coral is there on Insta only. She's not there on Facebook. So Facebook.
No, I'm not there on Facebook.
I'll share her mom's ID with everyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Coral can
So
also.
I wanted to share this here, made by my sister-in-law. So she has posted this on Instagram, which you all can see.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर का श्रुति नहीं दिख रहा है.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Nice.
I can't see that picture, what she's showing.
Can you see now, Madhuri?
Wait, I'll put her.
Here.
Okay.
Nice. Everyone see it now?
No, yes.
So this is what she made for Navratra. Like,
Beautiful. Very nice idea, huh?
yes, I loved it. So Coral, she has drawn this Durga and the Sher before.
Like first she has drawn the Durga and the Sher, and then she has made like she probably would have made circles around it.
Okay.
Colored the tiger and the Durga Ma, and then make the designs around the circle.
Okay.
Like this Coral is that she has some patterns.
Anyone
We
have
have to
any more
complete the bookmark on
a session now?
So can I ask
Thank you, Coral.
Thank you so much, Coral.
Thank you, Coral.
Kavita. Okay.
Thank you,
And
Coral.
Thanks,
learning.
Kavi.
See, and we hard work.
Thank you, Kavi, for making us learn such a beautiful art.
We have another exciting session. We'll reveal it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Thank you,
one thing
Kavi.
about
Thank you, Coral.
1 minute.
Bye. Thank you.
She has learned all these things by herself from Pinterest only. So basically, more details, she is not into it. She has not learned from any
Okay.
teacher also. From Pinterest, she is learning by herself.
That's
So she-
wonderful. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Great.
Yeah. Good
She's
utility
not
of her
in
timing.
classes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Manesh, she has learned everything from Pinterest only.
And she's taught so many of us. Today there were 25 participants.
Yeah, that's wonderful use of time. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll keep learning and sharing. Thank you.
Coral, self-learning is the best thing.
That is true.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Pinky. Thank you, Coral.
Thank you,
Wow,
everyone.
this is really nice, Richa. Not you. It's not done by you, I'm sure.
No, I've not done it. My daughter's done it. picture?
Looking very nice. Very nice.
Wow, lovely.
Wow.
She's into art, so she keeps doing all this.
Yeah.
But it took me
Very
Corel
nice.
to learn it. Chalo, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.